Let me be real with you for a second. If you're watching this looking for some quick hack to make $10,000 tomorrow without doing any work, do yourself a favor, click off this video right now, because this video isn't for you. But if you're like me, you're tired of your 9-to-5 job, you're exhausted, you're underpaid, and you're ready to actually build something that can change your life, then stick around. You see, I'm still working my 9-to-5 job right now, but I'm building a plan to actually escape it for good. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I'm doing it step by step. Look, let me make sure I make this very clear. I'm not saying this as someone who already made it. I'm not sitting here telling you that I'm rich or that I quit my job already. That is not what I'm saying. So get that out of your head. I am still working a 9-to-5 job myself right now. I'm still clocking in and out. I'm still showing up every day, and I'm still doing the exact same thing every single day. But the difference is this: I made a decision. I decided that I wasn't going to stay stuck there forever. And here's one thing that I realize that a lot of people don't want to accept. It's not that making money online is fake. No. It's just like a lot of people, or most people, are going about it the wrong way. They're chasing quick money. They're looking for shortcuts, and they don't want to build real skills. And that's exactly why most people stay stuck. So guys, here's what I started to do instead. If I would have to start from complete zero, like I'm working a 9-to-5 job right now, here's exactly what I would focus on. 3-step. And I wrote those 3 steps on my phone. So I'm going to pick up my phone right now, and I'm going to repeat those 3 steps for you guys. And I know you might be like, why is this guy picking up his phone? Look, I'm human. You're human. I forget things. I don't have time to remember everything that I know, okay? Sometimes I put things on my note. If you don't like that, I don't know what to tell you. But this is how I do things, okay? So yeah, here's exactly what I would do if I start from complete zero. And here's how the 3 steps I'll focus on. Step number one, learn a real skill that actually pays. Stop watching social media videos, okay? Stop scrolling all day on social media, all right? I'm talking about something that can actually make you money. Like what? Learn how to sell, like selling online. Selling what? Products. Buy courses, buy programs that can actually teach you how to sell. 2, learn how marketing works. I mean, you want to make money online and you don't even know how to market? You're full of yourself. Another one, learn how to get attention and turn that into income. I mean, you're going to have to learn how to create content like I am right now. So people can watch your content, so you can attract people who are interested in buying whatever you're selling, so you can make money. These are skill. Content, this is content marketing. That's a skill. You know, selling is a skill. Marketing is a skill. See what I'm saying? Because once you have a skill, nobody can take that away from you. Step number 2, stop chasing quick money. It's not going to work. Sorry to break it to you. Quick money ain't going to work for you. Here's what I wrote here. This was a big one for me, okay, guys? I used to do that when I first started it, when I wanted to make money online. I was trying to chase quick money, and this is why I lost over like what, $50,000 online because of my stupidity of trying to get rich quick and all that. You see? Every time I tried to look at the fastest way to make money, I either got nowhere or I wasted time. So don't do that. But when I slow down and focus on building something real, that's when things started to make more sense for me. Step number 3, build something on the side while you have a job. That's what I'm doing right now. What am I doing right now, guys? I'm working a 9-to-5 job while I'm also building my online business on the side. You need to be doing the same thing, because if I can do it, you can do it. You have no excuses. I didn't quit my job yet. I didn't take big risk. No, you know, I'm using the time I have after work to build my business on the side while I have a job. Guys, you know, when you work a 9-to-5, you are very, very tired. You know, especially me, myself, when I get off work, I'm completely beat. Like, when I mean beat, I am so dead. And when I come home, I just literally want to just relax, sit down, watch TV, or just relax on my phone or do whatever, because I'm so tired, if that makes sense. But here's the thing, guys. One thing that I realize is me just watching TV, is that gonna make me money? No. So instead of me scrolling on my phone or watching TV or watching Netflix, what do? I sit down and I start learning skill that will actually make me money. Because here's the thing, if I really want to quit this 9-to-5 job, watching TV all the time isn't going to help me. Okay? Me building real skill will actually help me get out of my job. You see, when I first started doing this thing, what actually showed me like making money online is real is when I first made my first sale. The first sale that I ever made was back in 2019. I made my first $50. Now you guys might be like, what? You still working the 9-to-5? You've been doing this ever since back 2019? Yes, I have. Here's why I'm still working the 9-to-5. Because I made a bunch of stupid mistakes, okay? If you guys want to hear that, I'm going to say straight up. I've lost a lot of money, okay? Like literally, when I'm talking about a lot of money, like 50K. Like for why? Because I was trying to get rich quick. That's why earlier I said to you guys in a 3-step, don't try to get rich quick. Because if you go that route, you're going to lose a lot of money. And guess what? You will never make money and you will fail. And I'm not saying that because I'm trying to be rude to you. I'm saying that because I care and because I love you. So that's why, just hear me out. This is true. If you think you can become successful by literally thinking that, oh, getting rich quick will make you money quick online, guess what? You're going to fail. Period. And there's no way around that. That's fact. And but this is what ever made a shift for me. My first sale I've ever made online was $50. And then after that, I realized that actually making money online is real. You guys might be like, but $50, that's not a lot of money. Yeah, it might not be a lot of money to you, but the thing is, it works. Because you realize that once you've made money and then you made it again, you realize that this actually worked. This is not false. This is not fake. This make money online thing is absolutely real. Look, I'm not talking about a bunch of fake online gurus that you see online. I'm talking about a realistic way to build income online. Not a bunch of freaking nonsense that you see out there. People showing you a bunch of fake lifestyle. That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about a real, legit way that you and I, 9-to-5ers, can make real income. My friend, if you're watching this and you feel stuck in your 9-to-5 job and you know that you are capable of more, you know that you can actually build real skills online that can actually make you money. You know that for a fact. You know that you can live a better life by building actual real skill that can actually give you the life that you want so you don't have to stay stuck working a job. And you want to learn how to do that, then you need to do something about it. Don't just watch videos like this and then just go back to your regular lifestyle and just do whatever that you always do, okay? You need to take action and do something about it. What now? And if you want to check out the blueprint, the step-by-step blueprint that I'm following right now, that I'm building right now, while I'm working my 9-to-5 job, you want to check that out. The link is down below under this YouTube description so you can get instant access to it. This is a real pathway that's actually going to teach you on how you can actually build a real skill, that can actually make you money. And this is not a get rich quick, okay? This takes work. So if you're not willing to literally put in the work, it's not going to work for you, okay? You have to be willing to work, put in the work. It's not lazy. It's not a shortcut. It's not a get rich quick thing. There's no such a thing. It doesn't exist. I've talked about it already. I'm not going to repeat myself, okay? But if you want to learn that, you want to check it out, you want to check out the blueprint I'm doing right now, check out the link under this YouTube description. And I love you guys so much. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Peace out.